Shoot the bottle, babe. Where'd you hit?
That hurt. I don't know.
Did you hit the bottle?
I don't think so.
Alright, and shuck it back. Always put it back like that. Shuck it. Shoot another one in it.
What do I do?
Hard, forward. Shoot the bottle. I don't
hurt.
want video of the bottle this time.
I know, but that hurt.
One more time.
That hurt
Hurry
right
up.
here.
You ain't holding it tight enough. Go.
That really hurt.
Alright, go.
I didn't do that last time I shot.
That's because you did it wrong, probably. Put it down. Hold it
That's
snug.
where it hurts.
Alright, now shoot that
I
bottle.
don't want to. It hurts.
Dude, shoot the bottle.
Please.
Shoot the bottle. Hurry, I'm recording.
What if I hurt myself?
You're not. I'll hold you up. Hold on. I gotta get the bottle in the picture. Hold on, don't shoot.
I'm not.
Alright, go.
I'm scared. I don't want to do it. My arm hurts. I'll record you doing it. Yeah, you got the bottle. I'm a puss. That hurt my arm.